Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to refund games on Steam. So first you just have to open or log into your Steam account, go to help and then click Steam support. Now under Steam support you will see these options here like recent products, purchases and so on. So all you have to do is to click that specific game that you're asking for a refund. Let's just say this game, I want a refund from this game. So tap this game here. And then after you tap this game, and then you will be asked for a reason why you want a refund. So let's just say you chose I purchased this by accident since this is one of the main reasons why people refund an item. So all you have to do is simply click this I'd like to request a refund. So here what you want to do, as you can see, I purchased this by accident. Then subcategory, you can also select this help me fix gameplay or technical issues. And then below here, there is a request refund. So all you have to do is to select for a refund payment method. You can tap or you can choose from any of the payment method there. You can choose your Steam wallet if you wanted to. So once you chose that payment method, and then again tell them the reason why you want a refund from this product or item. And then you can also add notes if you wanted to write a message. And then once done, all you have to do is to click submit request and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this issue. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.